In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access sounds and vibration. Then tap on those two switches next to vibrate on silent and vibrate on ring to enable or disable haptic feedback for those two options. When you finished, scroll down and click on haptics at the bottom to enable or disable system haptics for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!